you guys? Welcome and welcome back to another vlog. Girl, I know I'm all over the place. My vlogs are supposed to be weekly, but listen, I told you I was gonna do a little update. I think I had it in a previous clip, but I'm not sure. So right now, today is Sunday, and I'm actually headed to an amazing. Look at that, see? Today is Sunday, and I'm actually headed to an amazing opening. I recently did a review, probably some few months back, of Juicy by J lip glasses, lip jellies, actually, to be more specific about it. They're lip jelly. I'm actually wearing one today, but I did a review on my channel, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you go follow Juicy by J website page and follow them on Instagram, and I'll link all of that in the description box below. But today, Juicy by J will be selling her stuff at the Black Bar Wax boutique, which is one of her friends, also an entrepreneur who does an amazing job with hair. I'll link her Instagram channel down below as well. If you're looking for that 100% shea butters, body butters, turmeric face masks, body scrubs, and things like that, that is what I'm about to go do now. Her name is Kayla, and she is actually launching her stuff today, her grand opening. And so Juicy by J is going to be selling some of her lip glasses there as well. So listen, these roads are bumpity bump, so I know my camera's going to fall. That's why I would talk to you guys as I'm constantly driving, but I'm going to put some music on, vibe out, and I will let you guys see all the gorgeous things that they've been sneak peeking, showing us on Instagram. I'll show you guys, once I get to the event. Happy Wednesday, you guys. We are headed into our wedding reception venue, and we are doing the tasting today. So I wanted to come on here and say what's up. I'll try to share some things, but I am going to enjoy the moment. But I know that you guys are interested in behind the scenes of us wedding planning. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's go ahead on in. You guys, Babe is trying all this stuff. I'm really proud. It has all these different sauces on it, and he does not like sauce. Spinach-topia, I think I'm saying that right. This is actually pretty good. And we just tried a beef Wellington. Comment down below if you tried those type of appetizers at weddings or events.
Drink water. The beef Wellington is good. The spinach, whatever, is good. The moment you've all been waiting for. The moment
I hope you guys can hear us. There's no one in here. I don't know why we're whispering, but just want to be polite.
The real food.
All right, y'all. So we are done with the tasting. It was really exciting. We're full from the food, so we'll taste the cake when we get home. We have a big. They give you this place gives you a whole top layer cake, and each slice is a different flavor for you to try, and then you'll let the coordinator know which flavors you want on your cake. So that was really cool. Now coming back to the venue and seeing things in person, I definitely am starting to see my vision come together, except for the centerpiece that I'm trying to do, which I will show you guys how I'm going to create that. I've done a lot of DIY stuff on the back end, so that type of stuff I'll be adding in the clips as well, or doing the vlogs. But yeah, so the centerpieces, I'm thinking about adding something else and taking the purple back because we changed the color. So But I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm doing for the remaining of the day as I'm running the errands and seeing the venue. And yeah, it's starting to drizzle now, so let me go ahead and focus on the road, and I'll catch back with you guys later. This video in particular, I'm super excited because today, you guys, I'm going to do my first fitting for my wedding dress. If you are now tuning in for the first time, I am getting married this year. I'm super excited. I've been doing a lot of behind the scenes, which is why my upload schedule has been a little wonky, but I'm trying to get back in there. But this particular segment of the video, I want to share something with you guys. This brand is amazing. Thank you so much, Dossier, for collaborating with me on this video. They are a fragrance company, and I love fragrances, and it just came at the perfect time because, for one, I'm in the market for looking for a new fragrance for my wedding day, and two, I'm trying to build my fragrance collection. But who wants to do that with these prices that you see, like $300, $200 and more for a fragrance, right? So why not test out Dossier? And for the fraction of the price, this is what the box looks like. Hope you guys can see that. Really, really cute on the inside. On the inside, it says iconic scents, designer quality, no markups, and it looks like that. This particular one, this is what the bottle looks like. Very, very cute, and I love the top. It's like magnetic, so you don't even have to like press it down hard, but you get a lot of product in this bottle. This bottle has 1.7 fluid ounces, and this is amazing. 50 mLs if that matters to you. But this scent is called Oriental Oak Moss, and the top notes, they come with a card. The top notes are bergamot, orange peach. Middle notes are jasmine, rose, patchouli, and base notes are oak moss, vanilla, and vetiver. Anywho, I probably pronounced that wrong. But this fragrance is inspired by one of the fragrances that I am considering to wear on my wedding day, which is the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum. And the concentration in this is 15%. And it's so amazing that these retail for like $29, $39. Starting at $29, you can't beat that with the stick with a high-end quality. And this actually does smell like it. Like, it's crazy. I'm actually wearing this one. I'm going to wear this one today. I'm actually headed out, like I said, to go do my first fitting. But so, so amazing. So I just want to tell you what their mission is a little bit. Their mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents and all that. So very, very exciting. It came in a box like this when they shipped it to me. And then they sent me another one as well. I chose this one. This one is actually a replica of the Gucci Guilty Eau de Parfum. But when I smelled it, it actually smells more masculine than I thought. I thought this was the Gucci one for the women. But this particular one is called Fulgure Pink Pepper. Well, all in all, these are some great fragrances. This one I'm going to give to my fiance because it's more of a masculine scent. For some reason, this one came with a little travel as well. So that's perfect to have a travel size. And this brand is vegan, cruelty-free as well. So that's a great plus if you're interested in those things. But this Oriental Oak Moss definitely smells just like the Coco Mademoiselle at the fraction of the price. So make sure y'all check them out. I'll have a link down below for you guys to check them out and use my discount code so you can save more money and check out all the different fragrances. They have so many replicas from YSL, Gucci, as I mentioned, Chanel, even that, what is it, Baccarat one that is so popular. They have that. It's so many different ones. So definitely try them out. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you've heard of Dossier before, thank you so much again, Dossier, for partnering with me on this video. So nevertheless, I got to get out of here and head on to try on my dress. And it's raining, so that's why the setup is a little weird and it's a little gloomy, but we're going to try to make the best of this day. So come with me as I go try and do my first fitting for my dress. You guys, I'm here. I'm so excited to try this on. So let's go inside for my first fitting. You guys, my fitting went amazing. Of course, I won't show you guys that just yet until after the wedding, but it was amazing. Fit very, very good. I just have one more fitting, just adding some more details like the little sleeves. And yeah, so I'm good to go, and I will get, so I'll keep you guys posted. We're about to head and get some food and check out another venue. I think maybe check out another venue for my bridal shower. We're on the fence on what theme we want to go with because there's so many different ideas that we want to do. So we just have to narrow down the ideas for the bridal shower. But my wedding dress, I still got the same feeling. Comment down below if you had the same feeling, if not close to, even more excited or which have you when you went back to try and get your fitting done for your wedding dress. Comment down below and let me know. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted with the remaining of the day. I know I need to go take this hair out and wash it, but we'll see how the day goes. It is so rainy today, so we're not gonna let that kill our vibe. We're gonna keep going. But yes, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like vlogs, and I'll see you guys later. One thing's for certain, two things for sure. Is that the right saying? Is that I never close out these vlogs. I gotta do better with closing out the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up. Look at this. I have scraped up this wall with this chair, with wedding stuff. That's what that is, some stuff for the wedding. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to comment down below some videos that you guys wanna see here on my channel. It definitely helps your girl out. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.